இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை வழங்குவோர் பாரதி ராஜா இன்டர்நேஷனல் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் சினிமா.
I really don't need to do business with my vagina. I didn't go through. They came to me and they asked me for the sexual favors and having sex with the South Indians. You please stop it. And also, how many days we have to be like a sex slaves? Women are sex slaves.
வணக்கம் தோழர்களே. தமிழ் சினிமா மட்டும் இல்லை, தெலுங்கு சினிமா துறையும் இதுவரை சந்திக்காத ஒரு புதிய அனுபவத்தை சமீப காலமாக சந்திச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. அது என்னென்னா, பட வாய்ப்பு கொடுக்கறதுக்காக நடிகைகளை படுக்கைக்கு அழைக்கும் கலாச்சாரம் ரொம்ப தீவிரமாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நடிகை ஸ்ரீரெட்டி தொடர்ந்து குற்றம் சாட்டி வர்றாங்க. தெலுங்கில் முன்னணியில் இருக்கிற ஹீரோக்கள், டைரக்டர்கள் பற்றியெல்லாம் அவங்க இப்படி குற்றச்சாட்டுகளை தொடர்ந்து சொல்லிக்கிட்டே வந்த ஸ்ரீரெட்டி சமீப காலமாக தமிழ் சினிமாவின் பிரபல டைரக்டர் ஏஆர் முருகதாஸ், சுந்தர்சி, ராகவேந்திரா லாரன்ஸ் மாதிரியான ஆட்களும் தன்னை படுக்கைக்கு அழைத்ததாக பகிரங்கமாக குற்றம் சாட்டி வர்றாங்க. இந்த சூழலில் ஸ்ரீரெட்டி சமீபத்தில் சென்னைக்கு வந்திருந்தாங்க. பட வாய்ப்புக்காக நடிகைகளை படுக்கைக்கு அழைக்கும் கலாச்சாரம் ரொம்ப காலமாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு ஒரு பக்கம் சொல்லப்பட்டாலும், இவங்க வைக்கிற குற்றச்சாட்டிலே நமக்கு நிறைய கேள்விகளும் சந்தேகங்களும் இருந்தன. அதில் முக்கியமாக சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா, 4 வருடங்களுக்கு முன்னால் என்னை இவர் செக்ஸுக்கு அழைச்சார் அப்படின்னு அவங்க ஒரு குற்றச்சாட்டை சொல்கிறாங்க. இவ்வளவு காலம் மௌனமாக இருந்துட்டு இப்போ எதுக்கு இதை இவங்க இவ்வளோ பெரிய பிரச்சனையாக எடுத்துகிட்டு வர்றாங்க, இடையிலேயே இவங்க மௌனமாக இருந்தாங்க மாதிரி நிறைய கேள்விகள். இதை பற்றியெல்லாம் தான் இப்போ ஸ்ரீரெட்டிக்கிட்ட நாம் பேச போகிறோம். உங்களுடைய போராட்டம் காஸ்டிங் கவுச்சுக்கு எதிரானதா, இல்லை வாய்ப்பு தரதா சொல்லி செக்ஸ் வச்சுட்டு வாய்ப்பு தராமல் ஏமாத்துறாங்களே அவங்களுக்கு எதிரானதா?
Yeah, it's a very good question. My protest is completely belongs to casting couch. See, not only these people who are cheating the other women, also my protest is belongs to every person who is doing this casting couch until like who are involved into the casting couch.
சினிமா வாய்ப்புக்காக படுக்கைக்கு அழைக்கும் ஆண்கள் அவங்களுடைய தேவையை பூர்த்தி பண்ணிட்டு அவங்க வாக்குறுதி கொடுத்த மாதிரியே சினிமா வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்தா உங்களுக்கு ஓகேவா? அதை நீங்க எதுக்கலையா?
That is not at all good actually. That's the reason I realized my mistake. And I really don't need to do business with my vagina. I should do business with my talent. I should take money and I should act, and my character also should inspire the normal ladies. And also we have very bad industries that our stories are that stories will not based on the true stories, that stories will not inspire the women, that stories there is no importance to the women. And also women cannot be like a hero, women cannot be like a inspiring lady. In these movies there is no importance to the mother character or sister character or the wife character or the girlfriend character. Hero only dominate this industry. Always hero only dominate the movie. So we have to see the only hero's face, nothing else. I don't know why these people are not giving the proper importance to the women characters. So I really hate that. Even in every man there is a woman, ante back of the man, that women will do lot of hard work to make them keep them in a good position. So without women no man can work or can be happy, no one can be happy. So we have to realize the women women greatness. I think we have to show it in the on screen.
படுக்கைக்கு அழைச்சவங்க கிட்ட ஒரு தடவை ஏமாறலாம், நீங்க பல பேர்கிட்ட ஏமாந்ததா சொல்றீங்க. இதை எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறது? நீங்க ஒன்னும் விவரம் தெரியாத பொண்ணு கிடையாது. ஒரு அனுபவத்துக்கு அப்புறமே நீங்க உஷாராயிருக்கணும் இல்லையா?
Excuse me, I'm telling you, these guys are made this kind of a path. These guys from past few years it is there in the film industry. It is in depth. It is వేర్లు అంటారు కదా, వేర్లతో కూరుకుపోయింది అంటారు. In Tamil I really don't know that roots are very strong. So movie industry is a tree, and also these roots are in the earth. That earth, and in that earth roots cannot be visible. but roots are there in the casting couch అంటే completely that strong it is. మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీని అంత గట్టిగా పట్టుకుని ఉన్నాయి.
ஒரு தடவை அல்லது 2 தடவை ஏமாந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் இனிமே சினிமாவே நமக்கு வேணாம் அப்படின்னு நீங்க முடிவு பண்ணிருக்கலாம்ல. மீண்டும் மீண்டும் அதே அனுபவத்தை தேடி போனதோடைய காரணம் என்ன?
This is my dream. I wanted to be in movie industry, and I think no one don't have right to talk about my dream or talk about my character or anyone. They don't have right. And second thing, I think I'm suitable to the movie industry. You people are taking out from the South India. I don't know what kind of benefits you are getting from that North Indians. I really hate this. And we need, who are localites, who are South Indians, we need proper justice. And if you don't like South Indians, why you people are doing and having sex with the South Indians? You please stop it. And also, how many days we have to be like a sex slaves? Women are sex slaves. You have dick, we have vagina. Both are equal. And you people are telling that women are equal. When we are getting equal position? No, nowhere. And these people, these male-dominated movie industry are suffering. And we are suffering by a lot of men. And that men can cheat. We cannot be like a victims. If men is not there, how can we victims? See, this is not following by me. This is not following by Sri Reddy, or Sri Reddy didn't go through all this director or producers or heroes. I didn't go through. They came to me and they asked me for the sexual favors. So in this case, they are heroes, they are good, and so for the sleeping purpose, I made a mistake. You people are showing me finger on my character. That is so bad, so worst.
உங்களை பல பேர் படுக்கைக்கு அழைச்சப்ப யார்கிட்டயாவது முடியாதுன்னோ அல்லது அவங்கள்ட்ட வந்து கடுமையா எதிர்த்து சண்டை போடுறீங்களா?
Actually, one incident I should say. His name is Kona Venkat. He is a writer in the Telugu film industry. He is a very big director. Sorry, very big writer. And he worked for many films. And he called me to his guest house. I went there, and he told me, even I went in the evening. So what he said is, do you take drinks? I said, no, actually in person I will take wine, but when I'm talking with a stranger, I don't need to take any kind of alcohol things, because if we are unconscious, that man could be do anything, right? I really don't want to give that chance to that person. So that person tried to rape me. Even he removed my t-shirt, and he told many things. But one point of time I realized that okay, something is going to happen, because he is a big writer. And he convinced me. Men are very good in convincing. Men always, they know how to convince the women. They always use one word: don't you have trust on me, baby? Do you think I will do that? I'm in a big position, and I respect you, and you are taking lot of struggle. I really can help you. Swear on this, swear on God, swear on my mother, swear on my daughter. They will say lot of swears, but I don't know why these people will behave like this. That is the craziest adjustment I never had in my life. Because without my permission, taking out my clothes and all, really it's painful.
சினிமா நடிகர்கள் மாதிரியான செலிபிரிட்டிகளை வந்து ஒரு சராசரி மக்கள் சந்திக்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஆனா நீங்க வந்து எல்லாரையுமே ரொம்ப ஈஸியா வந்து அவங்க தங்கியிருக்கிற ஹோட்டல் அறையிலேயே போய் சந்திச்சிருக்கீங்க. எப்படி உங்களால முடிஞ்சது?
For me, it's not a big deal to meet them, because we have a very bad coordinator system. Members are ante thousands of coordinators are there in the film industry, in Kollywood, in Tollywood. So if anyone come to the Tollywood or Kollywood, if new strugglers, they will try for new strugglers. They will be very ఏమంటారు, they will be very exciting లో ఉంటారు. They wanted to prove their self. So in that anxiety, people will use them.
பொதுவாக சினிமா வாய்ப்பு கேட்டு போகிறவங்க வந்து அவங்களுடைய ஆஃபீஸில் போய் தான் சந்திப்பாங்க. ஆனால் நீங்கள் வந்து குற்றம் சாட்டப்படுற சம்பவங்கள்லாம் ஹோட்டலில் நடந்ததா சொல்கிறீங்க. நீங்கள் மட்டும் ஹோட்டலுக்கு போனதுக்கு என்ன காரணம்?
This Kollywood people will not have proper offices in the Tollywood. They will stay in the hotels itself. In the hotel rooms only, producers, directors will come there and they will discuss and they will go. And dubbing rights and all, they will manage in the hotel rooms only. So even I'm a newsreader. I was a newsreader. I'm an anchor. I worked for many channels. So getting contacts is very easy to me. And lot of coordinators will always back of me. And also they will say that you have a good figure, you have a good acting skills, everything. So definitely one fine day you will get a good chance. That's the reason few people are with good heart, they introduced me. Few people, they took money from that opposite person. So few people cheated me like that.
சினிமா வாய்ப்பு கொடுக்கறதுங்கிறது டைரக்டர்கள் தான், அவங்க தான் அந்த முடிவை எடுப்பாங்க. ஆனால் நீங்கள் ஹீரோக்களை சந்தித்து வாய்ப்பு கேட்டுறீங்க. இதை வச்சு பார்க்கும்போது நீங்களே குறுக்கு வழியில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணி வாய்ப்பை பெறுறதுக்கான முயற்சி பண்ணதா தானே தெரியுது.
So very good question. And people really don't know how irritate the director these heroes. These heroes will always ask about I need that heroine, I need this heroine. These heroes only decide the entire padding and entire heroines, and I wanted that cameras, I want that editor, I want this person as my mother. These people only choosing the entire characters. You don't know how much domination they will do in front of the director. They always fight with the directors, these heroes. People don't know this. They are able to keep me in the movies, that is for sure. 90% heroes are dominating like that only. From the outside, director only select, they will give build up like director only selected, but the truth is hero can handle all of this. Hero only choose all of them.
இந்த காஸ்டிங் கவுச் அனுபவத்தில் உங்களை ரொம்ப எரிச்சல் அடைய வச்ச வந்து சம்பவம் யார் கூட எப்போ நடந்தது?
In casting couch, many of the men, I really can't say only one incident. If we go for the auditions, that day we have to see the hell, because every if you start with the co-directors and direction department guys will be there, they will take the numbers and they always irritate. Shri Reddy, what are you doing? Shri Reddy, what is the plan for tomorrow? What is the plan for evening and all? So every day it will be hell.
இந்த காஸ்டிங் கவுச்சுக்கு எதிரா போராடணுங்கிற எண்ணம் முதல்ல உங்களுக்கு எப்ப தோன்றியது?
What made me many incidents, these people are not only using me, even my friends also cried many times in front of me, and why these guys are using us and not giving offers, and they are very good looking and very talented persons are there in the Tollywood or Kollywood. So even lot of women, if you do the interview from the beginning, so many of the women might be, heroines will not talk about that casting couch issue, might be they are afraid to talk about this. But I'm being a journalist, being a human being, being a woman, I know how painful it is. So I picked up this issue. It is my responsibility.
நீங்கள் பப்ளிசிட்டிக்காக அல்லது யார்கிட்டயோ பணம் வாங்கிக்கிட்டு இப்படியெல்லாம் செய்கிறதா சோஷியல் மீடியாவில் ரொம்ப தாறுமாறாக கமெண்ட் அடிக்கிறாங்க. இதெல்லாம் உங்கள் நாலேஜ்க்கு வந்ததா? அதை பற்றி என்ன சொல்ல வர்றீங்க?
First of all, I'm a news reader. I was a prime-time news reader. I have enough following. And later I became a VJ for the in the Starma. So that time also I have very good following. Even I host the shows in the out of countries also. So there also I have a very good following. Before I raised this casting couch issue, I have 55 lakhs of following in my Facebook page. So I have very good following in the YouTube also. So there is no need to pick up the issue and gaining publicity and all. There is no need. I am fighting for the good cause, and also top on that I'm not taking for the money also. If I gain money, that is the different issue. A single paisa also I didn't take from any media channel or any YouTube channel or any paper or anything. I'm in the financial crisis and I have to take care of myself. Still I'm fighting on casting couch. People has to understand with the good brain.
நீங்க கடைசியா ஏமாந்தது எப்போ?
Suresh Babu's son is there, no? Suresh Babu is a very big producer in the Ramanaidu's son, and also Venkatesh Babu's brother, and Rana's own brother, this guy. So those family is pretty much famous in the Tollywood industry. But Venkatesh Babu Garu and Suresh Babu Garu is both are very good persons. But this guy only taking it as an advantage. These production houses who are coming to the production houses, he is utilizing that women.
சுமார் 4 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னால நடந்த விஷயங்களை எல்லாம் இப்ப வெளியே சொல்றதுக்கு காரணம் என்ன? இவ்வளவு நாள் ஏன் நீங்க மௌனமா இருந்தீங்க?
No, this is the process of 5 years struggle, and I really can't face this struggle whole night or one day or 1 year. This is process of 5 years. I struggled with Tollywood and Kollywood. So I really don't want to blame anyone for the publicity, and this is bullshit.
உங்களை படுக்கைக்கு அழைச்ச நபர்களுடைய பட்டியலை ஒரே நேரத்துல மொத்தமா சொல்லாம ஒவ்வொருத்தர் பேரா சொல்றதுக்கு என்ன காரணம்? இப்படி நீங்க செய்யறத பார்த்தா தொடர்ந்து மீடியாவுடைய ஃபோக்கஸ் வந்து உங்க மேல படணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக இப்படி பண்றீங்களோன்னு தோணுது.
I need ante someone has to be ante who are cheated me. That guy deserve to get some publicity. So that's the reason I'm giving gap in between. So if we will give gap, people will discuss about it. People will talk about this, and it will be a talk of the town. So I wanted to make him down.
பிரபலமான செலிபிரிட்டிகளை வந்து டேமேஜ் பண்ணா அவங்க வந்து தன்னுடைய இமேஜுக்கு பயந்துகிட்டு அமைதியா இருப்பாங்க. இந்த பலவீனத்தை புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு நீங்க இப்படி செய்றீங்களோன்னு தோணுது.
If people without doing anything, do you think people will not come out and talk about this? So even if police will do interrogation also, I really don't mind to answer to them, and I face them. And being silent, it is not my advantage. And also you are calling them celebrities. I don't think they are celebrities. In the celebrities mask, do you think they can do everything, and which is really painful to the women? They really can't do that, right? They really can't. And we really don't want to give name that they are celebrities or big people and all that kind of birudulu, in the sense, what do you call big names? We shouldn't give.
டைரக்டர் சுந்தர் சி வந்து உங்கள் மீது வழக்கு தொடரப்போவதா சொல்லியிருக்காரு.
See, I really didn't damage anywhere, and that Sundar C's executive producer asked me for the Sundar C and for the Ganesh already took the sexual commitment, and I'm ready to prove this. And if he case against me, and I really didn't mention anywhere that Sundar C fucked with me and Sundar C did sex with me, and I didn't mention anywhere. And that executive producer asked me for the sexual commitment. So I didn't say that Sundar C. Next day I have to go to the Sundar C's room, but I was in menses. That's the reason I didn't go. Sundar C didn't ask me directly to sleep with me. This Ganesh asked me. I don't know whether he is aware of it or not. I don't know, and I really don't want to care about this.
கோர்ட்டுக்கு வந்து உண்மை முக்கியம் கிடையாது, உங்ககிட்ட என்ன சாட்சி இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறது தான் முக்கியம். நீங்க குற்றம் சாட்டுற இந்த விஷயத்துல சரியான சாட்சி இல்லைன்னா உங்களையே கோர்ட் வந்து தண்டிக்கிறதுக்கான வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அதை நீங்க உணர்ந்துருக்கீங்களா?
For everything we shouldn't talk about the proofs or evidences, and victim when she is in the weak position, to take care of that lady, that police system is there and legal system is there. We definitely legal system will take care of it. See, first of all, I know that person fucked me, and ఇప్పుడు నేను లారెన్స్ గారి గురించి అండ్ మురుగదాస్ గారి గురించి ఐఎమ్ వెరీ మచ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ బికాస్ దే టచ్డ్ మీ. అండ్ Sundar C's person asked me for the Sundar C, but I didn't do with the Sundar C. So Sundar C is very much angry because he really didn't do. So do you understand what is the difference between whatever they did, whoever not did?
காஸ்டிங் கவுச் பத்தி இவ்வளவு பெரிய போராட்டம் நடத்துறீங்க, ஆனா பாதிக்கப்பட்டு கொண்டிருக்கும் எந்த நடிகையும் உங்களுக்கு ஆதரவா இல்லையே.
In this kind of problems, actually Malayali people are far better, because when Bhavana faced this kind of a problem, a lot of women supported her problem, and also few people gave the card to artist card, they gave back. So indirectly they supported, right? So Mohanlal finally banned that person.
இத்தனை ஹீரோக்களையும் டைரக்டர்களையும் பகைச்சுக்கிட்டு உங்களால சினிமாவில் எப்படி சர்வைவல் பண்ண முடியும்?
I really don't want to survive here, and I do other job also, but before leaving this industry I want to show what kind of persons these people are.
உங்களுடைய போராட்டத்துக்கு பொதுமக்கள் மத்தியில எந்த அளவுக்கு ஆதரவு இருக்கிறதா நினைக்கிறீங்க?
90% I'm getting proper support, and whoever are there, brainless people who are supporters or fans are there to that dogs, those people only not supporting me.
ஹீரோக்களுடைய ரசிகர்களால உங்களுக்கு ஆபத்து வருங்கிற பயமே கிடையாதா?
I never care about that fuckers. I never care about the dogs. They are wild animals. Why will I talk about that? I don't.
உங்களுடைய போராட்டத்துக்கு அப்புறமா அந்த காஸ்டிங் கவுச் கலாச்சாரம் ஒளிஞ்சிருமா? அந்த நம்பிக்கை உங்களுக்கு இருக்கா?
Will be in control.
பொதுவா ஒரு பெண்ணுக்கு அநீதி நடந்தா பெண்கள் இயக்கம், அதுக்கப்புறம் பெண்கள் எல்லாம் திரண்டு வந்து போராடுவாங்க. ஆனா உங்களுடைய இந்த போராட்டத்துல இவங்களுடைய ஆதரவு இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியலையே.
Do you know that people are not supporting me? You don't know, right? In Tollywood, all women organizations are back of me. They are talking about me, and they are helping me like anything, because you asked me now who are there back of you. I have women organizations, and also normal women, common women. They are thinking about me, they are talking about me. She is doing a right thing, they are praising me. For them, all of the women, I feel so happy, and I'm feeling proud because I'm a woman, and we deserve for the respect. We live, and we have right to be alive, and please respect women. Thank you.